Thanks for tuning in to our how-to series for digital resources brought to you by the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. I'm Samantha, and I'll be leading you through today's tutorial, how to use Canopy on your Apple smart devices. This tutorial is being filmed on an iPhone 11, but with one minor difference, which I will point out to you. The steps should be the same no matter what Apple smart device you are using. If you don't have a library card with us yet, don't worry, we've got you covered. You can now sign up for a digital membership and get instant access to all of our ebooks, digital movies, magazines, learning tools, and more. To sign up for a digital membership, open your internet browser and visit our website at innisfilidealab.ca. Scroll up until you see the digital membership icon and tap on the green computer. This will lead you to an online fillable form. Simply fill out the form and you'll receive an email from staff within one business day between Monday and Friday with your membership details. You can also call the library at 705-431-7410 and we will be happy to set you up with a digital membership and can answer any of your questions. So make sure you have your library card handy and let's jump right into Canopy. First, you will need to go to the App Store on your device and download the Canopy app. In the search bar at the top, begin to type Canopy with a K. You'll notice as you type, the App Store makes suggestions. Select Canopy. Next to the Canopy app, you should see a button that says Get. Tap Get and follow the instructions to download the app. You can now exit the App Store by double tapping on the Home button for Apple devices such as iPhone 8 and older, or for iPhone models newer than the iPhone 10, simply hold the bar at the bottom of the app, wait until the app hovers in the middle of the screen, and then quickly swipe up and release to actually close the app. You can close all your apps this way, which helps your device run more efficiently. After exiting the App Store, you will need to locate the app on your device. When you download a new app, the app appears on the next available spot on one of your home screens. Simply scroll through your home screens until you see the Canopy app, which has the white Canopy K with a black background. Then tap on the icon to open it. When you open the app, it might ask to use your Bluetooth. If you would like to be able to view the movies on your smart TV, you will need to tap OK. If you don't plan to watch Canopy on your smart TV, then if you'd like, you can tap Don't Allow. You can always update this later in your settings. When you open the app for the first time, you'll need to create an account using your Innisfil Idea Lab and Library card number, which gives you free access to all the Canopy titles. To create an account, tap the red Get Started button towards the bottom of the screen. On the next page, you can tap the red Find Library button midway down the screen. The app will ask to access your location in order to find nearby libraries. If you'd prefer the app doesn't use your location, you can select Don't Allow or Skip, which will then require you to manually search your library's name or your city. As you begin to type Innisfil, the app will make suggestions. Select Innisfil Public Library. Next, you will be asked to enter your library card number, which should begin with 2168100, and then fill in your last 7 digits. Tap the box, type in your number, and then tap Go. Next, enter your name and email address. Make sure you have access to this email address, as Canopy will send you a confirmation email letting you know that your account has been created. The app will also ask for a password. The password and email entered in this form is what will be used to log in each time you use the app. So be sure to write it down or keep it somewhere safe that you can access later should you forget your login details. After you fill out that information and tap Go, you will have access to the database. But first, you should go into your email and open the email from Canopy and tap the orange Verify Email button. In the app, follow the prompts to complete your account setup. Once you have created your account, you will be given 15 movie credits to use each month. Once you use a credit on a movie, you can watch the movie as many times as you like on your connected devices for the next 72 hours. The credits you have remaining will appear in a red box in the upper right corner of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the navigation toolbar. To begin, start on the home page. You'll notice there are subsections such as credit-free viewing, newly added movies, and trending now. You can use these sections to help you browse titles more efficiently. Next is the Browse tab, which allows you to browse titles based on their subgenres or even view staff picks. To browse titles, simply tap on one of the headings, which will then open a page of titles falling under that category. Next is the Search tab, which allows you to search for titles by their names, subjects, actors and actresses, and by the companies which produce the title. For example, there is a series on Canopy called The Great Courses, which contain multiple episodes on a variety of topics. The My List tab is next. This tab can be used to keep track of movies or shows that you're interested in watching or to continue to watch a title you previously started. In order to add a title to your watch list, simply click on a movie poster and tap on the plus symbol. The movie has now been added to your watch list. To view your watch list, simply tap on the My List tab, and then at the top of that screen, select My Watch List. The movie you just added should now appear here. To remove a title from your watch list, simply tap on the 3 dots beside the title and select Remove from Watch List. The last tab in the app is the More tab, which has features like your settings, information regarding your memberships, and linking your device. In the settings, you'll have the option to turn on closed captions or enable parental controls. For most of you, you'll probably just have one membership, but for those of you who have more than one library membership that gives you access to the Canopy database, you can have multiple memberships on a device, allowing you to switch back and forth between the 2 accounts so you can use your movie credits more efficiently. Linking your device allows you to view Canopy on your smart TV. Simply turn on your TV and open the Canopy app, and then open the app on your smart device and go into the More tab and select Link Your Device. Simply enter the code on your TV in the app to authorize your device. Lastly, in the More tab, you can access a group of different titles in Canopy geared towards kids. I'll quickly go through some of the more unique features of Canopy Kids, including their story time and learning languages. In their story time section, you'll find various children's favorite picture books that are read aloud and accompanied by a video for you and your children to enjoy. One of the library's personal favorites is I Want My Hat Back. Great for kids, hilarious for adults. In the Learning Languages section, you'll find a series called Little Pim. Little Pim features scenes with an adorable panda bear, intermixed with clips of real kids using the items or acting out the words being taught. Some of the languages featured in this series are Japanese, Arabic, Spanish, German, English, and Russian, and many more. I won't go through all of Canopy Kids because I really could do an entire tutorial on that alone, but be sure to check it out when you get a chance. If you're interested in seeing a tutorial on one of our databases or resources in our how-to series for digital resources, please feel free to contact us and let us know. You can reach us at 705-431-7410. Thanks for tuning in to our how-to series for digital resources, and look out for more tutorials in the future on our other exciting digital resources. We hope you enjoy Canopy and all the amazing movies and shows it has to offer. Share your favorite film or show with us in the comments, and enjoy thoughtful entertainment.